The stage is all set. And today there's this dress rehearsal that is going on ahead of the Republic Day that is going to happen on 26th. Before further ado, let me show you the beautiful visuals. You know, this shows the focus is on 75 years. The President of India and Indonesia will be attending. The metro services also from tomorrow will start from 4 a.m. There are rain ponchos available. Now the theme for this year's Republic Day is Jan Bhagidari, Architects of Swarnim Bharat. There are 300 cultural artists from India and abroad that will participate. There are 18 marching contingents and 13 bands as well. Even the duration will be of 90 minutes starting from 10:30 a.m. and there will be total of 77,000 invitations that have been issued. There will be, even though yes, Tejas aircraft will not participate, but yes, 39 aircrafts will be displayed. ALH advanced light helicopter will be included. BrahMos missile will be the first to be featured on the Indonesian and Indian tableau. Pralay missile will also be showcased for the first time. There will be village sarpanches also that is being invited as special guests. Sukhoi aircraft, over 50% indigenous contents will also be there. Ahead of that also there will be 5,000 folk artists also who will be participating, because the theme this year is more of cultural, the more to bring the culture diversity that India showcases. Ahead of that, there is going to be a lot of events, a lot of beautiful occasions that is going to happening also. Whereas even the song Jayati Nari Bharati to be featured, there will be 45 tribal folk artists that will showcase performances from Indonesia and India. You can hear also there have been 697 students from 30 schools will be performing. 3 bands also will be performing on Kartavya Path. On top of that, also Bharat Parv will also be taking place, and even very importantly, when you see how grand this looks, you can see the marching contingents also. Like I even mentioned, very importantly, there will be a lot of marching contingents. There will be 18 marching contingents and 13 bands also that will be happening. The duration will be starting from 10:30 tomorrow. That will last for 90 minutes. You can see that there is security also that have been beefed up. There have been total of 77 invitations also that have been issued as well. Even though there, and also very importantly, there will be 39 aircrafts also that will be featured. That will be displayed. The BrahMos missile will be featured also, and very importantly, there will be 5,000 folk and tribal artists also who will join via video conferencing from Chhattisgarh. 45 tribal folk artists will showcase performances from Indonesia and India. You see these visuals, you see the marching contingents in full sync going, and how beautiful these visuals look, how rich these entire visual looks. This is rich, visually rich. This looks the synchronization. You can understand the synchronization that is happening. It looks gorgeous also, and very importantly also, the focus is on the 75 years. The President of Indonesia will be attending tomorrow. The rain ponchos also will be available tomorrow, and the theme, like I even mentioned, is Jan Bhagidari, Architects of Swarnim Bharat. There will be 300 cultural artists from India and abroad that will be participating. You can see there's a band that is also going on with full sync, and which also makes this crowd enthusiastic. You can understand how grand this will happen on 26th, and how big this is going to also be taking place. Now you see the visuals also, you get a perspective, the contingents that are going on. There are 18 marching contingents, 13 bands. Indonesian bands will also be, Indonesian contingents will also be taking place. The enthusiasm is at its top peak. You can see there's there is this anchoring also going on where people are briefing about what is going to happen, and ahead of that also you see the contingents that is shown in full, full synchronization. This parade is going to the Red Fort now from India Gate. They've taken the hexagon from India Gate to, Red Fort. This entire contingents are going, and it looks gorgeous. There have been 18 marching contingents that is coming. There have been 13 bands. There have been 2 bands that have entered. There's another band that is going on, and behind that also there's another contingent also that is being followed. So you can actually understand how big this entire display is, and how gorgeous this looks, and how beautiful this entire visual looks. This is visually enriching, visually very, 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 gorgeous. and the theme also showcases how big this very event is going to be. That in 90 minutes is surely going to captivate all the people who will be coming here, even though there have been 77,000 invitations that have been issued. The duration is 90 minutes, which will start from tomorrow 10:30 itself. And very importantly, there will be cultural artists, 300 cultural artists from India and even Malaysia that will be attending, rather Indonesia that will be attending. And this looks gorgeous, this looks very beautiful, and this looks amazing also, to the fact that this can also happen in, and this will also be very, very big in a way. It looks very grand, and it looks very huge also in the fact that this changes the landscape also, where India showcases its strength culturally. India showcases how big it is. There will be 90 aircrafts that also be featured, displayed. The advanced light helicopters will be included. For the first time, BrahMos will also be included, and even Pralay missile also be showcased for the first time. So you can see how grand this looks. This is going to be there. This is the duration in 90 minutes, and after each bands, there will be each marching contingents that will be followed, and there will be also 39 aircrafts that will also be there. And you can actually understand how grand this entire event looks, how big this entire event looks, and how grand it is going to be, even though this is just the full dress rehearsal that is going on. The security have been beefed up, but on 26th, it's going to be mega. It's going to be big, it's going to be huge, and it's going to say a lot of things, it's going to make a lot of statements, and it's going to be a change in itself. This is me, Brian Anthony Thomas, signing off with camera person Ankush for NewsX Delhi.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.